Here is our HP laptop box pack, and before unboxing it, let's check what is there printed on the box. On the front side you'll find the HP branding. Then let's move to the left hand side. On the left hand side you'll find the whole laptop specification printed over here. And right now I'll not highlight the specification, later on I'll highlight each and every specification separately. Nothing special is printed on the back side, so let's overlook it and let's move on the right hand side. And over here you will find the price tag and the box content. Over here the printed price tag is not the actual price. I have the 11.6 inch variant and it cost me around 40 to 41,000 in India. Here I want to give you an update. This same model has different screen size variants also. If you want to increase the screen size, you have option for it. And it's a common fact, when your screen size increases, the price will also definitely increase with it. Okay, now let's see what is there inside the box. Let's start our unboxing. Here you get the beautiful setup instruction, though I will not read it. Then comes the laptop itself. Should I highlight the model? Okay, it's HP Pavilion X360. Then here we get the power brick and power adapter. The final content is active stylus box, again a instruction, a 4A battery and the stylus itself. And obviously you have to put the battery inside the stylus. Here I have the smaller variant of the laptop and it has silver matte finish with a glossy HP logo in the middle. When I was holding the laptop for first time, the looks impressed me. Though it's an obvious reason, cause when you hold any brand new device, it will definitely impress you. But after shooting the video, when I was watching the video in my desktop screen, the design of the laptop reminded me old variants of HP laptop. Okay, it looks good, but here I would prefer black matte finish with a glossy HP logo in the middle. Though it's my personal preference, your preference may vary cause Apple laptop also comes with silver matte finish. Okay, now let's check what type of ports and slots we get in this laptop. On the left hand side we get a memory card slot, USB port, HDMI port and power connector. Then if you move on the other hand side, here you get the power button, security cable slot, 2 USB port, audio out and audio in jack. That means in this slot you can connect a headphone or a microphone also. And the good thing is that here you get a dedicated volume rocker. Okay, now let's check what is there on the back side of the laptop. Let's check the bottom portion. At the bottom of the laptop you will find sufficient amount of ventilation or exhaust grill. Though it has sufficient amount of ventilation or exhaust grill, but after heavy use the laptop gets very hot. On the left and on the right hand side you will find speaker grill, and watch the video till the end, you will get the demo of the speaker quality. As I have the smaller variant of the laptop, so it has only 2 rubber grip on the top and on the bottom, and this rubber grip will help to stick the laptop on flat surface. And friends, have you noticed one thing? We are missing an optical driver in this laptop. So you have to compromise an optical driver or buy an external DVD driver for this laptop. Okay, now let's power up the device. Here comes the HP logo and the beautiful HD screen. Okay, now let's check the interesting spec sheet of this laptop. I have the smaller variant of this laptop. It has 11.6 inch HD IPS panel. And if I talk about the display quality, yeah, it's a very good display. According to its resolution, it has decent amount of sharpness and detailings. But if you look at the display carefully, you will find the colors a little bit desaturated. Though it's not a major issue, cause according to me, desaturated color will put less strain during long time use. Though I don't have much complaint about the display quality, but the laptop has huge bezels around the screen and it will definitely disappoint you. It's 2018 and it's time for bezel-less or edge-to-edge screen. So if you're planning to buy this laptop, these huge bezels will definitely disappoint you. But if you can spend little more money and go for the 13.3 inch variant, then over there you will get less bezel around the screen. And the 13.3 inch variant comes with a full HD IPS panel. So if you want better screen, then go for the 13.3 inch variant. But if you don't bother screen resolution and huge bezels, then you can go for 11.6 inch variant. And it's a compact laptop. The most highlighting point of this laptop is its convertible feature. You can use this as your primary laptop or totally fold it in 360 degree and use it as a tablet. You can open the laptop in 180 degree, and if you want to open more than that, you get an option to switch it to tablet mode. And no need to worry, in tablet mode the keyboard will not work. And when you convert your laptop to a tablet, the whole user interface of the laptop will become like a Windows tablet. If you are a student and want this laptop to use for your educational purpose, then I'll suggest you to go for the smaller variant. Cause you can use this laptop as your primary laptop, and when you are tired after doing your whole day work, you can turn the laptop in comfortable mode, in tablet mode, and you can easily hold the tablet in your hand cause smaller variant is much more lighter than those bigger variants, and you will feel much more easy to hold in your hand. Now let's check the performance of this laptop. Performance wise, the laptop has 7th generation Intel Core i3 processor, and the processor has clock speed of 2.7 GHz. In the memory department, it has 1 TB of hard disk and 4 GB of DDR4 RAM. And the laptop also has integrated 620 Intel HD graphics card. If you are willing to play high-end games and do fast video rendering from this specification, then you are wrong. In this same price point, you can get laptop with better processor and higher RAM. But you cannot convert those laptop to a tablet or get touchscreen and stylus like HP Pavilion X360. So now let's check the audio quality. In this laptop, HP has tuned up their audio in collaboration with B&O. Looking at the size of the laptop, I thought the sound would not be much punchy, but the audio was surprisingly good. The vocals are clearly audible and the bass is quite punchy. Okay, here is a sample for you. When a laptop comes with a touch display, you should take advantages of the stylus. And here HP Pavilion X360 comes with a touch display with an active stylus. And you get a included 4A battery with it, so you have to insert the 4A battery to active the stylus. Now just pick up the stylus and do any type of fine work in your laptop. Now download Sketchbook, draw anything with digital ink and share your digital art with your friends. And another thing, if you are a photographer and do lots of editing in Photoshop and Lightroom, then this stylus is going to be very helpful. In keyboard, the keys have adequate amount of space, so you will not face any mistyping problem. And during typing, the soft keys will not make hard clicky sound, so you will have a smooth experience. Even the trackpad also works fine. To carry this laptop anywhere, you are going to get a beautiful laptop backpack from HP. If you are planning to buy this laptop, I will provide the laptop link in the description and you can check it from there. And I will also provide some high performance laptop link in the same price bracket, so you can check those laptops. So friends, if this review is really helpful for you, then put a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and obviously hit the bell icon to get notification when I upload my next video. So tada friends, bye bye, have a nice day.